Guys and gals, this is MRC. You know, I wanted to throw in a little fun video since I haven't been doing some. I wanted to get one in really quick for you. This is some extra content that I've done for the last few months. And you know, there's really no trail, there's no nothing, it's just extra video. So a big shout out to my boys that are in this video. Appreciate you going for a ride with me. And of course, you know, I just had a fun time and I just want to throw it out there. So enjoy, guys. And if you do, give it a big like, give it a big sub and all that fun stuff. And until then, take care, ride smart, be smart, don't do drugs. See you later. Oh, freshly paved.
We've got this beautiful, freshly paved new piece of road that has been completed.
Oh, look at this. Oh my God. This is why I live in this right here. This is, oh, look at this. Freshly paved. Wow. This is just awesome. This is just awesome. And now it's done. Dope. But that was fun. Ooh, wow. I'm gonna have to do that again. But right now it's cold. Never mind. Woo-wee. That was beautiful.